Hi everyone, welcome back with another video. I know it's been a while. I was totally on a busy, hectic schedule. By God's grace and blessings, we have shifted to our new home. Thank you so much for your lovely wishes and prayers. We were totally busy with the finishing works and the housewarming. That's why I wasn't able to upload video quickly. Now the house tour and housewarming videos are not yet ready, so thought of sharing the videos taken before that here and there. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Now this clip was taken when I was with my parents. My father had got ready to clean this room where we keep all the firewoods. It was a total mess and I joined my father in helping him to arrange and clean it. I like to do such cleaning works rather than cooking. And if anyone is there to accompany, it would be less stressful too. My father made a swing to hang all these bundle of twigs. Not all are wood pieces, some are the dried coconut leaf. The leaf from coconut is removed and kept in bundles. We even make broom from it. Nowadays we get less to see such being made at homes. I used to watch my grandmother and mother's sisters making broom during my childhood vacations. Cleaning all the mud and dust, there was so much accumulated. I'm not dust allergic, but as a precaution wrapped shawl around my mouth and nose. Everything goes into there. Now, shopping wasn't done in less time. I was shopping even morning of our housewarming day. It was really hectic. Even though I had made list of what all to shop, I either would forget to add the item in the list or the item wouldn't be available in the shop. Some I had already shopped from Riyadh before coming here, and some items I would get only in my hometown, and one such are clay pots. Now this is a very old traditional oven that's built in the firewood room. The drawback of this is that the black smoke would spread all over the walls and ceilings. So these types are usually constructed outside houses. Now on this day we were frying fish. So mom usually asks us or she herself fry outside since the smell of the fish would spread all over the house inside. And in case any guests come, which is very normal, it would be really awkward. These are organic tapiocas. Kids picking up the red seeds that was lying around. As I had said in my previous video, the neighbors had cut the tree, so there won't be any more seeds to fall, and they were picking whatever was there. After fish frying was completed, I seasoned my clay pots that I had bought for new home, and I had shown the method using rice husk in one of my Kerala vlogs. If you can't find this rice husk or if you don't have the traditional oven, I have a video on seasoning other way using rice water, so do check out in the description box for the link for that video. This is another pickle made with lemon by my mother. I shall try putting recipe on this or mango if possible, not sure. After lunch, my mother finished off the seasoning for me. I'm not able to show each and everything that I had shopped, but some items which I had ordered on Amazon India I'll show here. I'll share the link below too. Now these items are not online purchase. My uncle has a distribution of some products that you won't find in shops or online, and these are organic products. I like the flavor of tea powder. Now these are soaps from Kadai Natural bought from Amazon. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals in it. I found the information from a YouTuber, FitTuber, who gives really helpful videos. I bought quite a few as I wanted to take some to Riyadh after vacation. This is pre-seasoned iron Kadai, again from Amazon India. Though it's pre-seasoned, you will have to maintain it as you use. I don't think pre-seasoned means you can use without maintaining. The first thing that I did was I washed it well and well wiped the water off. Then I kept it on flame until it's well heated. Then off the flame and add some coconut oil to rub all around. This is how I maintain my iron kadais all the time. And since it's monsoon season, sunlight is very less, so can't dry it under sunlight. Now this is not online. My mother bought this from a shop here. And this was not seasoned too. My mother had seasoned this once before I came. All I have to do is maintain it well. This is from Amazon, a little teapot. I like the shape of it. It can contain very less quantity, less than 1 liter, but I bought just because I love the shape. The material is cast iron and has a strainer along with it. On the box you can see another shape but same material. This was also there on Amazon, but I loved this one. Now some other stuffs. That's microfiber cloth for cleaning, a very good one. These are to hold hot pans. These are spoons, simple ones. Some forks. These are wooden spoons for spices. Now this is another pre-seasoned cast iron kadai. It's a bit heavy but a good one. I seasoned the same way I had told earlier. Another cast iron skillet, heavy one. This is dosa pan pre-seasoned. I shall give all the details and link in my description box. Some of our sanitary items were bought from Bella, which is also one of our friends' shop, so we bought from there. I had come here one of the days to select wash basins, sink pipes and so on. All the selected ones were packed and ready to take to the site. Now this is a basin in one of our bathrooms. It used to rain heavily on some days, and on some days it used to be too sunny and we used to feel really hot. But nowadays it's raining heavily. Our designer had already selected indoor plants and some outdoor too, but I wanted to buy some of mine. My aunt, my mom's sister, knows a little more of plants and she loves gardening. So we went together to the plant nursery. There were lots and lots of varieties in this nursery. My elder brother's family was already in Kerala and my brother just came before our function. So we went to airport to pick him. We are at the Calicut airport and there comes my brother. On the way back, we got into my brother's clinic where he's working. Time was very limited, so we again stopped at a shop for some more purchases. Even mom had some grocery shopping. Sometimes shopping used to be really hectic, and on such days, a tea and snack is always refreshing. Lots of shopping for new home. I had actually forgotten about myself what to wear for the evening. For kids and for my husband, they had already bought from Riyadh. So finally, I found time for that too. There wasn't enough time for stitching, so bought ready-made dress. They also designed their own dresses. My niece wore one dress designed by them with our suggestions too. That's men at work. Final works are going on. I actually didn't feel that we could shift very soon. The designer had kept his promise and completed the works on time. There were a lot of workers at the same time, and all the works were done parallelly. My father-in-law was totally into this, keeping away some of his works. He pushed the workers to complete the work soon. Otherwise, I don't think we could have shifted that early. These are kitchen stuffs to be arranged. The official staff had come to give demo on the washing machine. Even though there are a lot of options, we just need always wash, rinse and spin. These are the arrangements for the function. The function was next day evening. Mine and my husband's family was completely with us, whole time supporting us. My co-sisters came later the day before housewarming to help me out. My sister-in-laws Nisri and Shabna was there from the day onwards I landed. I don't know what I would have done without them. Shabna was there with my mother-in-law to help her while I was busy shopping, and Nisri was there with me for shopping all the stuffs necessary for a house. She knows better than me. Only on certain difficult times we realize how blessed we are when our family stands with us. My husband's friend had also come to have a look. Back again at the nursery, had some more final shopping from here. Our designer had asked for a few more indoor plants and outdoor too. My aunt, my mom's sister and my uncle and family had come on the night before. My sister-in-laws and co-sisters were also there. My aunts helped in cleaning the top floor totally, and my sister-in-laws and co-sisters helped in arranging the kitchen properly. Then for the early morning prayer, we all gathered at our new home. Boiling milk, which is a part of this. And then we all had it. All had slept for some time except me, my sister-in-law Nasri and my father-in-law. Shopping never ends. Me and Nasri had gone for some more shopping, and on the way we just stopped at this location which was really very beautiful. Now all ready for the event. I was totally into greeting all the guests, and I knew that it would be difficult for me to vlog on that day. Hence we hired a professional cameraman. So that's a delay. Hopefully my next video would be on house tour and glimpses of the housewarming. Shall give you all the details at that time. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.